Okay, YouTube, here we go. I'm going to put fuel pump number 4 in the jacked up Chevy truck. If you want, you can follow along while I get her done, or not. So, here we go. Oh. I start out with special tool number 1 and special tool number 2. I've done this enough times now, I'm getting pretty good at it.
Why are you saying that? Say that to me. Say that to me. What's that?
No.
Why? Beep.
Okay, there's the pressure line. Now for the vent. Ordinary pair of pliers will do the trick. Just give her a little twist and a tug. And that was my elbow. Okay, well, we're done with special tool number 1. Now for special tool number 2. Let those drain in there for a minute. Let's see what I'm doing. Well, there's the hard part. We'll give her a minute or 2 to drip off the extra gas. Yep. All done. Okay. Pull her out from under the truck. Okay, now, since I've already done this 3 or 4 times, I'm going to skip the step of blowing all the dirt off the top of the tank because, well, there's none left. Then we're going to take Pittsburgh. Just your average everyday tool. And we're going to get on this snap ring right here. And work it out of there. See, that pump is spring loaded, so generally as a rule, if it's been in there for a very short amount of time, it'll pop right out. Carefully raise it up out of the hole. Keep in mind you got your sending unit right there. And on the bottom of that is a little sock. I don't know if you can see it in there or not. Now, inside this pump, this fuel pump stores gas. So we'll put gas back in the tank. Like so. Okay. Yep, now the old pump is harvested. Well, it's not old, it's brand new O'Reilly's Master Pro. So, we're going to take that pump, we'll put it back aside, and I went on ahead and got the Precision fuel pump. You can see it there. There it is. Got it right here.
I can have one of those. Anything.
Well, I don't know about all that. We got our pump, and I don't have to do this on this truck, but this pump is supplied with, let's get this opened up here. These solderless heat shrink connectors. There's 2, 4, 3, 4. You do?
See.
Cool.
Feel it. Feel it.
Yep, you're gonna make it smell like gas. I've got 4 of these connectors. These are supplied with the pump kit. A brand new pigtail wiring harness. I'm assuming that's in case something is changed between the factory wiring harness and the new one. I put the one on there to begin with just because it was supplied. So as long as the plug's the same and it's not melted, sometimes they melt in here where the orange and black wire connect. See this wire? They'll melt right here. This will char out and turn black, and what will happen is that'll cause your pump to quit working. So they send you the new pigtail so you can put that on there, make your pump work again. So we're going to take our new O-ring. And we're going to slip this right over the top.
Why?
I'm making a video, baby.
I see.
Here, my 6-year-old, she's very inquisitive. She likes to watch Daddy work on the truck. Now, we're going to gently put that back in there, put that sock in there, turn it in, and drop it down. Now comes the fun part. Hold Daddy's phone right there, just like that. Don't move it. Okay, you're moving the phone. You gotta pay attention, be real careful, so all the people on YouTube can see what it is that Daddy's doing. Put the O-ring on the pump, position the pump. See that little notch? Little tab, little notch. We gotta line those up. Here you go, baby.
Got hair on it. Got hair on it.
Yep. No, we're not making it down in the hole, are we?
What's going on?
Yep, that gasket can be kind of a booger sometimes. Make sure you keep the phone on what I'm doing there, kiddo.
No. want some hair?
No, thank you. No, thank you. I got plenty of my own.
Got hand hair.
I got hand hair. Yeah, I got lots of hand hair.
See? Yeah, orange one too.
Oh, she's going to be a little cantankerous.
Hey,
It's giving me a little bit of a battle here, so what I'm going to do
let's hold it.
is I'm going to take this gasket back off of here.
Yeah. Might need some hair.
Sometimes they can be a little stiff going in. You don't want to snag that O-ring and cause it to rip or kink, because then you'll leak fuel vapor and you'll get a check engine light. So over here in my garage, I've got a bucket of old used motor oil. Some people say it's not suggested that you put oil on your O-rings, because they say the oil breaks down the rubber. Well, in the 30 plus years that I've been turning wrenches, I have never had a problem with an O-ring having trouble. Hey, you're moving the phone, kid.
Dang. Allenton.
Almost, but not quite.
Push.
It's been a little difficult, isn't it? Don't tell me.
Don't touch me. No, don't touch me.
Why not? You take all the fun out of it. What's the point in working on cars if you don't get dirty? Ain't that all part of getting
Just get my leg
turning
dirty.
wrenches?
Just get my
Let's
knee.
get your leg dirty.
Just get my knee dirty.
There you go. Now you're all dirty.
It's not dirty. Let's touch it with gas.
I don't have gas on my hands, kid.
What is that stuff? That thingy on there. What's that stuff?
Transmission fluid and
Put
motor
that
oil.
on my knee.
I'm not putting that on your knee.
Right.
Hey, you're moving the phone again.
Sorry.
Can you stop baby talking?
Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Well, this could be a problem.
Let's see. See. Let's see.
Hey, the phone. Pay attention to that, please.
I want to do something to it.
How you gonna be my camera girl if you're gonna keep moving the phone on me?
Why you're making a video?
Well, I'm trying to teach people how to do this stuff, and it's not going very well because for some reason my fuel pump is bigger than my opening.
No.
Yep.
Yeah. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Well, now we have another problem. Another jacked up part from O'Reilly's. I'll go over here to the red Ford. This truck always runs. And in the back here, I got a bag of rags. Brought to you by Sherwin-Williams.
That's your old one.
Yep, that's the old pump. We're going to take the old O-ring off the other pump and see if it's a little smaller than the O-ring that was supplied with that fuel pump.
That beard. Get that
We'll give it a shot and see if it helps me fit my new pump down in there any better.
beard.
I'll wipe this one off, get any kind of dirt and debris off of there that collected off my tailgate here.
Daddy.
If you can't tell, that's a work truck. I use it for work. So we'll take this O-ring here Daddy's busy, kid.
My bike is falling apart.
It is?
Yeah.
Well, maybe one day we'll fix it. Maybe one day we'll fix it.
You want to see?
Oh, I think I already know what you're talking about.
See? See? Look. Look, Daddy. See?
Yes, I know. I told you. I think I already know what you're talking about. Well, this is posing to be a little more difficult than I had anticipated. Definitely does not want to cooperate with me here, which is not an uncommon problem. If I didn't have an audience, it'd probably go just as smooth as it did the other 2 times that I've done this. But since I have an audience this time, of course, it's going to fight with me tooth and nail because somebody's watching. It just seems like fuel pump number 4 is off center. Anyway, well, there you have it. Fuel pump number 4 officially does not fit in the tank of my 1998 half-ton Chevy pickup. So, there you have it. If you like my attitude, click like and subscribe.